In this video, you will learn how to find company information using Nexis Uni. We will begin on the Company and Industry Information Library Guide, though you can also access Nexis Uni through the University Library's A to Z Databases page. From the Library Guide, click on the tab that says Public Companies. In the box labeled Company Profiles, you will find a brief introduction to Nexis Uni that includes text instructions on how to find company profiles. You may refer to these text instructions in addition to this video. Here, we can click on the link for Nexis Uni to access the database. This link will bring you to the home page. From here, you can access company profiles by clicking on Find a Company, located below the search bar. This will take you to the Nexis Dossier Plus database. Here, type the name of your company into the search bar, then press the search icon. From the search results, you can find basic information about your company, such as its status as a public or private company, approximate revenue in US dollars, industry codes, and number of employees. Click on your company from the list of results for more information. On the Company tab, navigate to the About box to view key information about the company, such as its history, current CEO, revenue in US dollars, number of employees, contact information, stock symbol, and SIC and NAICS codes. Note that on this box and every other box on the company profile, there is a link called Sources at the bottom. Click on this to learn which sources Nexis Uni used to compile the displayed information. Scroll down the web page for more information about the company hierarchy, such as a list of subsidiary companies and a list of other key people working for the company. Scroll further for an overview of top competitors, latest court cases, financial summaries, and recent mergers and acquisitions. For more in-depth financial information, click on the Financial tab. This tab summarizes key financial statements from the past 5 years, including income statements, cash flow, and balance sheets. You can also view company filings. Click on the drop-down menus to select the filing type and year to sort which company filings appear on your screen. Scroll down the page for resources that are helpful for investment research, such as transcripts of earnings calls, analyst reports, and company events. This tab also includes an ESG rating for the company, measuring their impact in terms of the environment, community, employees, and governance. Click on the Industry tab for a description of the company's industry and latest news about the industry. Scroll down for the latest SWOT reports for all companies in this industry. The Legal tab displays a list of court cases the company has been involved in. Finally, the News tab graphs news coverage about the company over time and provides links to news articles that discuss the company. You can sort these articles by relevance, title, and date. If you would like to view the company profile as a Word document, click on the Download Report button on the upper right of the web page. You can download the full report or click on specific sections to add to the report. If you would like additional help accessing company information on Nexis Uni, please reach out to the University Libraries via email, phone, or chat. You can also schedule a one-on-one individual research appointment with a university librarian.